Today we're gonna make our own mango popsicle. So these are the ingredients you need. You need 3 fruits of your choice, condensed milk, these popsicle maker things, and a blender, and some milk. So first, I think we need to cut the mango. And now we'll skip to when it's all cut. So let's snap them. There we go. Now the mangoes all cut up and even they're in their like cups thing. Now we're gonna put it in here. So the mango first. We need to put the mango. I don't think we need this.
Use fork. Use the fork.
You scoop it off.
Slowly lang kuya. Oh, enough lang sa. Enough first. That's enough.
That's enough. Then let's make that.
Okay. And then we'll need the
Half of it lang sa.
Yeah, half of it.
Use the fork.
How?
The fork. Okay.
That's enough.
More.
I need more.
I don't like it's very sweet. Then half of the milk lang sa pagliyan.
Wait, I need a little more.
That's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Look, that's enough. Okay, and then half of the milk.
It's filling.
Careful.
Like that?
That's not half.
You
Yeah.
got enough?
Maybe.
Oh.
When you pour it, you have to do like this, oh.
Okay. Now we cover it,
Want to do it, Jen?
and then we blend.
And then,
Then add more mango. Oh, enough na. That's good, kuya.
There you go. Now it's yellow.
Add more mango.
And then
my mom made them.
add more mango then.
Bigay ka na.
First,
wanna
I
check
want to
the
do the
consistency.
yellow one. Is it yummy?
I will just
I'm
add
gonna put the yellow.
condensed
But
milk
it needs
later.
to go freeze.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sige.
we need to put this in there.
Consume it, kuya, maybe.
All of it? Okay. Yan, I need your help.
I need to
So,
some.
come out.
Yeah, no. Then.
Put it in.
There you go.
Okay. Then a little bit of condensed milk.
I'm gonna do this one. It's more easier.
More. Sige pa, gamay. Okay. Don't add milk na lian.
And then now
Oh, that's done. It's okay. We'll clean up.
the
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, get a spoon.
Yellow one.
Okay, now we need to
Yellow.
Yan, can you open it first, Didi?
open it.
Pull it up.
And just there.
First, I'm gonna put it to the yellow one.
Wait.
The yellow one, because yellow is the same mango.
I will taste it first.
Is it yummy?
More condensed milk.
More condensed milk. Okay.
Consume that. You get another spoon,
The
kuya.
whole thing?
Yeah. Get another spoon, please.
Oh, tail. You don't want that.
There. Okay. Wait, let me scoop it out the rest.
A little bit more milk.
No.
Just a tiny bit of milk.
You can drink that.
The whole thing?
Hmm.
Really?
Yeah, I want some.
But it's not soy milk.
It's cow milk.
Yeah, because we don't drink soda. We just leave them drinking cow's milk.
It's kind of neat, but it's kind of good.
Kaya, can you blend it one more time, please?
Can I put some in there?
Okay, there you go.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yellow one first.
So now we have to put it inside.
Yellow.
Wow. Looks
Now
yummy.
it's ready and you're done mixing it. You're blending it. Now we're gonna put it in here. So.
You okay? That's enough. Make it simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Because the cover's gonna make it bigger. That's enough. That's enough.
Yes, if we have more, then we can make it.
We don't know what now. And the savings will be bigger. You don't put the whole thing, you should. So put the whole thing, John. That's the save.
You can add more if you still have.
Okay.
That's enough.
Yeah, you can add more. Make it full.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Then you can drink the remaining.
Oops.
It's okay, that's good. But how are we gonna freeze it?
We're gonna put it in the freezer.
Okay.
Is it gonna overflow?
Oh, tulungan.
Can I put it?
Do not overcook. Yeah. You can cover it now.
I'm gonna do pink.
Let's do the one that's full. Okay. There you go.
Clean it up. Clean it with tissue.
Tissues up there. Let's start. I'm the yellow one. I love yellow.
Okay, wow. Are you excited? We'll check tomorrow, okay?
No.
Really?
Yeah. Overnight ma-frozen na.
Aww.
Okay. Does that mean we're having a part 2? Okay.
I want to eat it. Freeze it now. How about let's check it on
think that's
nighttime? Can we check on nighttime?
It's done. So,
We're gonna put it
in the freezer.
and tomorrow.
Hi guys, so it's been one day of freezing the popsicles. Now we're gonna open it. Open the red one.
So next time maybe we need to really make it really
There you
full.
go.
Yeah. So that the shape will be maintained.
Good.
Good? Yummy? Wow.
And now we learned that if we're gonna make more of this, we need to make it really full.
Yeah.
Probably not coming out. I don't know.
You just put it. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye. God bless.